Hi, my name is Joe Hollandaner. This is my 1958 Impala. It was a project car that I took out of a barn. Took about 2.5 years to restore it. It's painted a color called Aegean turquoise, and yes, that is a legitimate color for 58. Took about 2.5 years to finish. It's been done now for about 3 years. It's got a modified motor. I've got a crate motor 350 in here with a 700 R4 transmission from a Corvette.
It's beautiful.
It's got all new chrome, new trim, obviously new paint. It's a fun car. When we get around to the back, I'll give you a little idea why we got the thing called 8 Frog.
Okay.
I actually looked to get 58 Frog, but there are that many people in the state of Illinois with the with the word frog that there were only 2 numbers left. That was one of them.
Wow.
So,
Wow.
this is.
What a beautiful. And you said this was a barn find, huh?
This was a barn find. If we get a chance at the end of this, maybe I'll show you a picture of what it looked like coming out of the barn.
Sure.
So,
You know what? Now we can take a look at that engine since we.
all right.
And I can hold that if you like, if you want, while you open that up. There you go. Oh, look at that! Look at that!
This is a 350 crate motor. It's got some performance stuff in it. It's got a cam. It dynoed out at 369 to the flywheel. It's a little more power than I really wanted, but that's what it came out to be.
How much does the car weigh?
I believe this was 3,800. It's a heavy car. It's actually this is my second one. I've got another one at home just like it, a red one. So I've done these before.
Sure. And then these are very, very nice.
These are spinner hubcaps, and those are Diamondback white walls.
Okay.
They're sort of a special white wall. If you're not used to seeing those, you ordered a tire in black wall for that company. They received the tire, turn it around backwards so there's no lettering on it, and they put the white on it.
Oh, really? Okay.
So it gives it a little smoother look, and they're very easy to maintain. It's got a very smooth surface. You can wipe those off with Windex.
Really?
Very easy to maintain.
Wow.
The interior is done in the 58 pattern, but with I changed and modified the colors, obviously. That's what it would have looked like. The door panels and stuff are all 58 design, just different colors.
That is so nice. And how's the car to drive?
It goes down the highway like riding in your sofa.
Like just
that back seat, it was an option. It's a pop-up armrest. You could put a third person back there. You just push that down.
Oh, right. Those were the days.
Yeah.
This is so nice.
Yeah, drives really nice. It's a good running car.
Huh. And then the gauges in the center, those are something that...
No, that's aftermarket, because back in 58, all your indicators, what were known as idiot lights,
right, they would go out.
They'd only let you know that you've already got a problem. It's like that crazy commercial.
And look at this incredible back window. I like how it tapers in, and then you have this. What do you have up there? What is that?
Well, that's all decoration. It serves no purpose. It's just what they did in 58. 58 Chevy was Chevrolet's most expensive car made.
Okay.
There are no parts off of here, no body parts, trim, chrome, etc., that are interchangeable from a 57, and no parts from the 58 fit the 59.
Okay.
So turned out to be a very expensive car to do for them. And it's the first year for the Impala.
Okay. And then I like all these accents. And
that's all factory. That's the way it came.
And it's so nice.
That's the way it came out of the factory.
So were you surprised of how kind of quick it allowed you to turn the car around? Or did you?
Well, my part I did a little quicker. My painter wasn't as quick as I was,
really?
but
Okay.
What year is this Impala?
And then the
my part took about 2 years. the painter held me up for about a year, year and a half.
Okay, wow. Now you were saying that there was someone hitching the ride on the back of your car?
Yeah, that the guy riding in the back there is that's my friend, the Frog. When the car was being painted, I had a friend that when he saw the car in the spray booth and everything, he said the car looked green. And I kept saying, no, it's a G in turquoise, like the Greek G and C. And he's, no, it's green. It's as green as a frog. So when I got the car, I thought, you know what? I'm going to paint a frog on the back.
Give people something more to look at.
But then we got a frog and we had it sketched out. And then I had a gal that did this for me. And we painted the frog to look more like me, like an old guy there.
Let's see. No, you have more hair. Better color. Yeah.
So that's what we did with this here.
That is so nice. And then the one traditionally in town?
Well, one was factory. You could have ordered an optional dummy one.
Okay. So nice. And then what is it? A 4-speed?
This is a 4-speed transmission out of a newer Corvette.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Yeah, it's a what they call a 700 R4.
Sure. And then I see you have electric fan going.
Well, I seem to put that on
Just to help it out.
pretty much all my cars. Thankfully, I don't need to use it very often. But if the car sits still in traffic for a parade or something, I can flip an electric fan on. It gives it a little bit of a boost.
There you go. Well, we appreciate the interview. Right.
Thanks for watching. I appreciate you taking your time.